So we're taking the Love Me hair off and we are leaving it in the past. This wig is like going in the dump. I just got this. Oh my goodness. This package just literally like 30 minutes, 45 minutes ago hit my porch. It's from WoWigs. Now, I have purchased from WoWigs before, and it is some of the best hair that I had ever bought, okay? And then I started wearing Kendra's, and, you know, Kendra's just, you know, stole the show. So I did the 360 lace wig this time with the Love Me hair, but this time I'm doing a full lace. And this time, it's the inches that I like. It's 30 inches. But the only texture they showed in 30-inch was the full lace. And it was the texture Bodywave. I kind of wanted to do curly again, just because I really wanted it, the length that I wanted to try. But, you know, this will be easy to maintain. This time I'm forced to do full lace instead of the 360 lace. So it's going to be no wefts at all on the wig, period. So that's going to be new for me. I'm also going to install it myself with the meltdown method the same way that I did this wig. I ordered this hair, y'all, 2 days ago on Sunday. Like, I just ordered it, like, just go ahead and get it. The hair is Tuesday, y'all, and it's like 2 o'clock p.m. I ordered this here on Sunday. It came in 2 days from China. Now let me just touch base on this packaging. Look at this packaging. Like, it is so cute. Like the way that it feels like rubber kind of. I love it. And look at this, the way that you open it. Like, let's open it together, y'all. Like, this is the first look. This is why y'all gonna love me, because I'm not gonna do something without y'all. Oh yeah, new backdrop. Who this? You know. Okay. Came in this little bag here. It's heavy too. Hold on. Where's the little notes and things? They don't include like little notes. Well, that's fine, I guess, because I don't need none, but you know, I'm just used to the notes. But it's okay. So what we got here? We got it in the little packaging, 30 inches. Oh my gosh, y'all. Now, this is what I'm talking about. When I tell you this is the virgin hair that I know and love and I'm used to, and this is what I want to feel. Like, when I got, oh my God, the Love Me hair, I was like, when I touched it and ran my fingers, I was like, I'm not going to speak too soon, but I don't know yet. This right here is like, oh, butter. Like, oh yeah, I know this. This is what I'm used to. Look at that, baby, yo. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Bitch, I cannot wait to pop this baddie on my head. Okay, so I'm gonna do this again for y'all. We gonna see if we see any shedding, because, you know, I don't like shedding, I don't like tangling. I'm damn sure not getting no tangling. I ain't getting no tangling. But let's check this out for a minute. I ain't getting no snags. Let me see. Let's see how many strands came out. 1. Hold on, let me take it off. Like 1. Sorry, I'm taking too long. So I'm gonna just put this on my hand like this. So this is the back of the wig. Let's part it open so I can show y'all what the lace wig, with the full lace wigs are like. Whereas you like you can literally do. This is down the whole middle. The whole middle. Let me take it inside for you. So this is the front. There's no wefts in the whole wig at all. There's no wefts at all. You got like this little one thing, like band, like thick lace in the band in the back for extra protection. And then this is how the whole wig is. There's no wefts at all on this wig. You got a tuck comb in the back, bra straps that I love. Let's see. 2 tuck combs on the sides and 1 tuck comb. Oh yeah, that's like all the way in the front. Wow. See, I've never got one where the tuck comb is this far in the front. Usually the tuck comb, like for the front, like start like right there. Well, at least for the Love Me hair when it did. I'm not gonna say usually. The knots definitely have to be bleached, hands down. It is not. I mean, they made it. Oh, it is pre-plucked actually. It's pre-plucked. It is definitely pre-plucked. I'm not plucking nothing. I ain't plucking shit. It's pre-plucked. Why would I pluck that? For what? Pluck it for what? Okay. I like this wig. this wig is pretty. Like it's constructed nicely. I am really nervous about the fact that it's full lace and like how much shedding I'm gonna have to deal with. But at the end of the day, it comforts me to know that this investment is like, it's good for me. I'm gonna give y'all consistent updates on this hair though. Like we're gonna do tonight. I'm probably gonna do an initial review, or tomorrow if I don't do it tonight. 2-week review, a 1-month review, and then I'm gonna do a final review. Just stay patient with me. I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial in the next day or two, because I really gotta get that part of the channel going. I want to bring a bunch of things to y'all. Like this isn't just about hair. It's about like living with me, vlogging with me, like daily life, like what type of things like interest me, what I do for fun, like just you know, like really influential. And it's about fashion. Stay tuned. I also got some other good stuff coming up. I got my weight gain journey that I'm gonna start off with y'all again. That's what we're gonna start off with. And I just got some really exciting stuff coming. Like just stay patient, stay tuned in, and most importantly, keep living with me. Bye. Love you.